Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to grant access to the Salesforce support. So if you have created or raised a ticket to the Salesforce support, if you if you are getting any problem in Salesforce and you are not able to resolve it, so for this scenario you raise a ticket to Salesforce support for help. Then, if Salesforce support asks you to grant access for the Salesforce org, so if it's a sandbox or production, so how to grant access to the Salesforce support so they can easily log into your org and investigate your issue. So, how to grant access to the Salesforce support? So, let's get started. First of all, click on this your profile, then click on this setting buttons. Okay, in here you can see grant account login access. So this option comes under my personal information. When you click on this setting button, so this page will get open. Then click on this grant account login access. Here you can see the salesforce.com support. So I want to give access of this or for one day. Then select one day. If you want to give it for 3 days, then select 3 days. So I want to give access for 1 month. So I will select 1 month and then click on save. Okay. Now Salesforce support will able to log in to the Salesforce org before 14th Feb. Okay. By using this option, you can grant access to the Salesforce support. I hope this video find you helpful. So please subscribe my channel and do let me know if you have any doubt. Please add comment to this video. Thank you.